Salut tout le monde. Hello everyone and welcome back for some streams. It's been quite some time now, so I'm glad to be back. And today we are still working on Fallacy Quiz. I started working on a new game, but I want to keep it a bit close to me right now. I want to reveal the new game when I have enough material to make a presentation. But yeah, I think it's going to be really, really good. I really like the concept and I like working on it. But today for this stream, I am also working on an update for Fallacy Quiz, my previous game. It was well received. It is not a commercial success, but it was really well received. The people who tried the game, who played the game, gave really positive feedback, and it was really really cool. So yeah, I want to make an update to add some features I would like to see in the game, and some people asked to be in the game. So let's do that. Okay. So I'm just going to start working on it, and you can talk in the chat if you want. I'm going to try to check both YouTube chat and Twitch chat, but I might be a bit late for the YouTube one. I might not look at it as often. Let's go. So should I get my camera bigger on stream? Is it easy to do? Let's make it a bit bigger. We don't really care about information on the bottom right corner. So what I'm trying to do right now is a new mode for the game, which will be... Can you hear me? Can you hear the music, right? Let me know if the music has right volume. Okay, so yeah, I'm making a QR code mode. Wait time. Yeah, so I have a wait time, and I want to introduce a time for each question, a fixed time for each question. So let's add a control. Duplicate, and this one question duration. Maybe we don't want a spin box for this. Maybe we want a drop down menu for this. Where's... Yeah, here I have a drop down menu here. Let's copy that and paste it here. Okay, we want that to... Oh yeah, I have a big one, a big option in here. Where are the options for this? Items. Oh, items here. So paper, no, it's going to be fast, or maybe normal. Fast, normal, slow. Really slow. Okay, and it's not going to be wait time, it's going to be question duration. Or maybe answer time? Speed, just speed. Quiz, speed, fast. Yeah, okay. Quiz, speed, fast, yeah, that works. Fast, normal, slow, really slow. I think it should be in the other direction. Really slow, slow, normal, and fast. Okay, now we need to make it... Okay, so I have an issue with this. My issue is it's not really transparent here. It's hard to see, but it's not transparent. So you have to actually add some code to make it transparent. The corner. That's some code that I already have here. Here, get pop-up, transparent background. You have to add this code for each time you use this. And I might have to, at some point, create a custom script for that. So yeah, let's go to the ready node here and let's add that. Oh, it's not the right name. Let's rename this. This is the option button for speed. So quiz, speed, option button. Cool. We also want the default to be normal. So set selected or select. And we need an ID, so maybe we are going to use the get item ID based on... Or do I get... That's not good. We could use an enum. Yeah, let's use an enum for that. Quiz speed, fast. So really slow is the first one. Okay. Yeah, so we're doing an enum. That way we can track things. Instead of having to use magic numbers. There are only a few of quality standards that I like in code. I like to code however I want, but some standards are really cool. And one of them is to not use magic numbers, which means that if you have a number in a code and you don't know where it comes from, it's pretty bad. So it's better to create a constant or a variable with that value, so that by default it's documented what it is, you know? So for instance here I could just use the number 2 to select the normal option here, but it's way more solid to create an enum, and that way I can just have quiz speed normal here. Let's try it out. Cool. Slow, really slow, fast. Maybe really fast. I'm not sure. Let's try with really slow, slow, and normal and fast. Okay. Now we need the times that are going to match with those values, like the duration. So we can try to see if we start a quiz in the game, how long it usually takes for a question right now. So let's try that. I don't have a timer with me. Let's add a timer to the screen. Wait, let me use English. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah, it's taking 20 seconds. Okay. So we can have normal be maybe yeah, normal is going to be 20 seconds. So instead of using enums, maybe we could use, I'm not sure, speed, like a dictionary. That way we could populate the option button. Yeah, no, let's make it stupid, okay? Let's keep it stupid simple. We're going to create is my voice, yeah, I think the music and my voice is good. Let me check. Test. I don't hear anything. Test. Okay. Cool. Test. Okay. Whoa. Huh? Nice. Speed. Quiz. Speed. Values. So normal might be 20 seconds. Then fast is going to be 10 is way too fast. Maybe 15. Even 20 seems a bit too fast to me. So let's use 22 17, 30, and really slow is going to be like a minute. Let's try it like this. Okay, so we have the option button. Everything's fine. Okay, now we need to send this information to the quiz. For this, we're going to go to the proceed. On proceed button pressed, we're going to create a new function, proceed, because I'm not going to keep this button later on, so I want to make this in a proper function. And here we can send this information to the quiz data. So I keep all information in a gameplay singleton. Quiz data, no, QR mode speed equals, and then we can pass the quiz speed value here. Okay. I think this is a signal, right? Oh no, the signal is item selected, so we're good. Okay, so we are sending this to the game. We also need to send this inside the QR code. The thing is, I want in the QR code, I want to send information here, like only the really slow, normal, or fast, because then I have to send less information. But I guess what I could do instead of this is send a. I have to send a byte. So a byte of data is 8-bit, and with 8-bit of data you can store up to 255. So I think we can just send the quiz bit values instead of using 2-bit. We can just use 4 bits and be okay with that. So let's do this instead. The way I'm going to do that is to pass the information here. Okay. Quiz speed. We don't need to clamp anything. Okay. And oh, I'm in the wrong function right now. Okay. I'm not sure how to get what I want here, so I'm going to use GDScript Playground. So GDScript Playground is a way to test your GDScript code easily. So that way you can go here and print stuff like that, so, and you don't have to deal with that on your own. For instance, here if I pass 245, what do I get? Okay, it seems to work. If I have 256, what do I get? Yeah, okay, so it does transform into 1 byte only what's inside the array. which is pretty cool. Cool. Okay. That way I can just use this. Yeah, that's perfect. So I'm going to pass. I don't want this to be the first thing to pass. I'm going to have it as the second thing to pass. Okay, cool. So I'm going to I'm sending the quiz speed as 1 byte. Then, so that's cool. Then, what should I do? Then, okay, then we have sent it to the game here. Now we have to use that in the game instead of the usual way of dealing with time in the game. Right now it depends on the reading time, you know. So we're going to go back to the quiz script and use this QR mode speed. We need also to initialize the QR mode speed here. By default, let's use 17 by default, 22 by default. Okay. Now, the way we're going to do this, we're not going to. Oh, that's going to be tricky. We want to be synchronized with the Unix timestamp and not just counting seconds. If the computer lags, we need to be synchronized with the Unix timestamp. So we're going to have a QR mode timestamp 2. Okay. Okay. So we need to send this information to the gameplay script 2. Let's go back here. Okay. Okay, it's a bit weird to do that here, but it works. Maybe let's leave this info here for posterity. Okay, cool. Cool. So now we need to go to the quiz and make sure it follows this. It's going to be tricky. I never had to do that. Right now the game is just using standard timers, so it changes quite a lot the way the game works. Yeah, I have a lot of timers right now. Let's see how all the timers You know what? We could try just to have the game. Yeah, we could try. Let's try without like the easy way. Okay, let's try to just have the game on its own, using a countdown on its own, without caring about. Oh, you know what? I think we could do a middle ground approach where we just check the timestamp right now, and only when we create the timer we check the timestamp. Oh, that's perfect. So here, next quiz is supposed to create the next question, and it's instead of so we're supposed to check the timer here so yeah, we're going to make a big if gameplay QR mode, then we don't. If not gameplay QR mode, then we are going to keep all of this code, okay? But if gameplay QR mode, then we're going to do a lot of stuff differently. I think this part, all of this is going to stay the same, but here the timer wait time is going to be way different. So first, let's check the time. Okay, so we also need the question that we're on. I'm not sure the question that we're on, how do we get this information? I think the gameplay will have this information. Maybe question number or something like that. Current question? Get question data. Get question number. Okay. Whose question multiplied by current one -1 plus current question -1. Okay, that's going to work, I think. Let's go back to here. So we have the question number. So we are supposed to be at that question. We multiply that by our gameplay speed, QR mode speed, and this is the time we are supposed to have left from the Unix timestamp. So yeah, this is current time. Okay, And this is end of question time, okay? The end of question is the QR mode timestamp, the start of the quiz, plus the question number multiplied by the QR mode speed. That should work. So now we have the current time and the end of the question time. So what we could do is take the current time, no, take the end of question time, subtract the current time, and we have the timer wait time. So the timer wait time is going to be a bit weird, because it will vary a lot based on what's happening in the game, but at least it will be synced with what is going to be on the smartphones. Yeah, because I did not even talk about what we're actually doing right now. What we are doing is we are making so that people can play with their smartphones the quiz without having to deal with any server code, net code, or anything like that. So we are using QR code and syncing the time, a bit like the way your authenticator app with one-time password works, where you click and you have a code, and you can check if it's the right one by entering the right code, you know? So that's what we're doing. And this is going to be able to sync that information. So let's try that. Pre-gen quiz. Okay. So it's supposed to be, we're going to select fast. We're going to open our clock. Where's my clock? Here's the clock. And we're going to start at the same time. It's supposed to be 17 seconds for each question. Oh, there's an issue here. What's going on? Wait time. What do you mean? Okay, proceed. This is supposed to be 17 seconds? That's way too slow for this. I'm not sure it's working. No, it's not working. What's going on? What? 30 seconds? Huh. Maybe I selected slow or something? Let me check the debugger. Gameplay. No, QR mode speed is at 17, so what's going on? Huh. It's not working for some reason. Let's try to understand why. Let's go back to the quiz. So if not gameplay QR mode, okay, so it's going to be that code that is going to run. Hey, Stop Crotte Animal, what's up? Hello. Can say the quality is too high for my limited 4G. See ya. Okay, oh sorry. Thanks for passing by. I hope you saw my answers. Because last time it was not working. Oh, let me... Okay. Yeah, so it's supposed to work. Let me try to do something stupid just to be sure, okay? Let's make it 1 second, just to be sure it works. Because sometimes, you know... Sometimes you want to be sure it works and you're not debugging the wrong thing. We need to add sometimes at the beginning for this, for the rounds. Yeah, so it kind of works. So why? So that was 1 second? Huh, I'm a bit... It's a bit weird. End of question time minus current time. Maybe it's doing like 2 questions or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, but I need to add the round. I need to take into account the round animation. I did not take that into account. It's going to be a bit of a pain to take into account. I could not have round animations in the game if you're playing in using QR mode. Let's do that for now. You know what? You know, I have to scope. I have to reduce the scope. So round animation. If gameplay rule greater than 1, then next round animation step equal -1. Don't show the round animation if there's only 1 round. Or QR mode. You know? Okay, so there's not going to be any animation in QR mode. Let's go back to our speed. So, oh, the music is gone. Let's get some music back. Nice. So what's wrong here? Why is it not working? You know what? We're going to print everything. That's the best way of checking what's working, what's not working. So we're going to print QR mode timestamp. No, we don't need that. We need the question number, and we also need the wait time that we are trying to achieve. And also we need the speed that we are expecting. They should be pretty close, because the only difference between the QR mode speed and the wait time should be a few seconds to take into account the game loading and stuff like that. So let's try. 0, 25, 22. Why? 25 is... Oh, wait. I think I'm adding 60 seconds. Wait. Am I adding 60 seconds? I'm supposed to add 60 seconds for some reason. Let's go back to our code here. Yeah, okay. I will have to add 60 seconds, but for the time being, I'm not adding 60 seconds. Okay. Let's try again. That's weird. I still have this round animation. I don't want even the initial animation. I don't want that. I'm not sure why I still have that. Oh, I know why. Okay, I'm stupid. Let's go back. It's not all. Yeah, it's not or, it's and not. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's try again. Okay, so we're going to select fast and generate the QR code and proceed. So it started directly, that's cool. Expected quiz duration was 17 and we had 25 for some reason, so I'm not sure why. We're going to see what's going to be the next duration. It's supposed to be lower than 17, so I'm not sure why it wasn't. Let's see now. It's still 25. Okay, there's something wrong then. It's not supposed to. End of question time minus current time. Why is this 25? Wait, is this the... Wait. Wait, it's the initial value. Is it never updated? What? What? Okay, that's really weird. Okay, I'm a bit puzzled here. -4. Okay, it's a negative number. That explains it all. So since it was a negative number, it did not update. Okay, interesting. Hey! Hi, Pack Science. What's up? Okay, it was negative, which means that we are not supposed to use the question number, but we are supposed to use the question number +1, which kind of makes sense because we're aiming for the next question, not for the current one. So it's going to be +1. We could have a fail-safe by setting the timer wait time to the QR mode speed to be sure that we have something close to what we're expecting. So this is cool. This error made us discover about that. Okay, let's go back to our QR mode start, and now we don't want a proceed button. Hey Slacks, what's up? So to let you catch up with what we're doing, we are working on a QR mode for my quiz game, which means that we are going to be able to play with smartphone to the quiz game without having to install anything on the phone. It's just going to be a QR code to a really simple website to be able to click on the answers. That's the plan. So now we are doing some time calculation to be able to sync what we have on the mobile and what we have on the screen without ever having to deal with any netcode or server code, just by using the Unix timestamp and synchronizing based on the Unix epoch timestamp. That's the plan. Hope you like the idea, and we're going to make it work. So this is the menu where you are going to select. Okay, so right now the wait time is 60 seconds. We don't want that long for our tests, so I'm going to add a little debug code here, where this value, I want this value to be way lower for me. I always forget how to create debug flags. Find in files, debug. Good luck with the plan. Thank you, Slacks. Thank you very much, Slacks. What's up, by the way? I have not streamed for quite a while, so I think my last stream was before the game came. Yeah, my last stream was before the game came out, so I've not streamed for more than 2 months now. But it was pretty crazy after the game release. Been having a rough time with the cat. Oh no. Having to face some difficult decisions. Oh, that's rough. Hope it will turn out okay, even if I guess it's complicated. Yeah, that's... I never had a pet, but that's hard. Like I imagine I wouldn't want to be in that situation, but I'm kind of missing out on having a pet then. Okay, the value is going to be 10 seconds if we are in debug mode. We don't want the proceed button to be here. We want to have a counter on the top right corner of the screen, I guess. So let's add this. So we're going to add a margin container. And the margin container is going to take all the available space. We're going to add a label inside this container. That's going to be on the top right. Then we add some margin. I have a custom script for my label. I'm not sure how it's called. Okay, it's called font variator, and it allows me to make the text wiggle. Let me show you. We want the text to be way bigger than this, so let's change the font. New font variation. Or maybe just font size will that work? Yeah, we don't need a new font, I guess. We can just use, yeah. What color should we use? Hey! Bad Moles, what's up? Okay, I'm not sure about the color here. We might want something more like you know, like urgent. Like you only have 60 seconds, you know? Okay. Hey, Rodzilla, what's up? Wait. It's the real Rodzilla? Hey, I'm glad to have you on the stream, Rodzilla. So Rodzilla, if you don't know, is making a software called Material Maker, which seems to be a really cool software that I used once. It was awesome, and for some reason I never had to use it since then. But each time I'm like, if I ever need to create a new material, I know where to go. Okay, yeah, let's... So yeah, to let you know what I'm doing right now, I'm working on a smartphone mode where you can play the quiz game from your smartphone, but I'm doing it the smart way, where I don't have to handle any server or netcode by using a QR code with all the information about the quiz, and I'm using the Epoch Unix timestamp to be able to synchronize everything on both the smartphone and the software, the game, and then it will just be a web page. So you scan the QR code, you get to a web page, and you don't have to install anything, and the game can just start. So that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, I'm the real Rodzilla. It's quite nice to have you here. Okay, I have a big number here, and this number is supposed to be the countdown label. So I'm going to call it the countdown label. And it's going to be used because I need to sync the everything. So I need the quiz to start exactly on time. So once everyone has scanned the QR code, you have a countdown, and then the game will start. So let's make this work. If you click on start, generate button pressed, it will start a countdown. I need a timer then. Let's call that a countdown timer. We're going to make it unique. Access a unique name, and we can start the timer. The number of seconds is the number of seconds we indicated. It's called the wait. Yeah, it's the wait time. Okay, and then we need a countdown label to have the same value as the countdown timer. I think we're just going to update that in the process loop. That's not really costly or anything. Text, yeah, text equal int of the countdown timer value, or wait, or time left, or something like that. Yeah, time left. Okay, and then we need to use the timeout signal to call our proceed function. But we also need to fade in and fade out this big number here. So we're going to add some, by default it should be hidden. So we're going to modulate the transparency value. By default it's going to be 0, so modulate a equals 0, so it's going to be hidden by default. And then we need to animate that when we click on generate here. So we have already a create string here. We just need to change the value here. And yep, perfect. And then we need to do the same thing in reverse if we decide to hide it, because we can go back. Wait. Okay. A small question about this game. Oh, sorry, I did not read your question. A small question about this game. Any inspiration from Clement Viktorovich work or De Facto? Maybe. I like the idea anyway, and the book animation. I know about Clement Viktorovich from some segments I've seen from when he's on the TV. I've known from Defecator, but I don't watch those people. I don't watch their content, so no, not it's not really inspired by them. I think if the biggest inspiration for this might be the cognitive bias map. This is it. So this is how my the way I first started knowing about all that kind of stuff. So the cognitive bias codex. I tried to understand all of them. It took me like 2 days to just read about all of them. I could not remember. There's way too many. I think that's the reason why the game exists. I think all the information about fallacies and cognitive biases are pretty hard to grasp, pretty hard to get into. I had this in my bookmarks for way too long, because I was like, hey, this seems like valuable information, but I never went back and tried to read all of this. And I read about this back in the beginning of 2024, and then I was like, and okay, that's not the only content. There's another one. Let me get it. This one. Its information is beautiful. Rhetorical fallacies. It's a list of a lot of fallacies. I ended up not liking the list anymore after my work on Fallacy Quiz, because I think some of them don't really matter. Some of them are copies of others. Some of them are badly explained. Anyways, before working on Fallacy Quiz, this was one of my favorite way of having a list of fallacies that I was able to check. So the biggest issue for me was people don't know about this, and information about this are pretty hard to ingest. So that was the inspiration for the quiz. Also, being like doing debates online for like multiple years also pushed me to wanting to have like elevate the level of knowledge about rhetorical fallacies, because when you are inside during a debate and you point out an appeal to authority, for instance, and people don't really know how this is relevant, and from my point of view, if you point out an appeal to authority, you should immediately, the person in front of you should be like, oh, excuse me, let me explain, I was wrong. And the public should be like, what? They did an appeal to authority, it's horrible. And this should be clear to anyone. But it's not the case. People don't. You say it's an appeal to authority, and nothing much happens. So if more people know about this, then you could be able to point out fallacies, and the audience should be able to to understand, you know. Let me go back. Excellent. No, we need this game in schools. Yeah, I'm not sure how to introduce it in schools yet. But honestly, I'm working on this QR code mode so that you could start a game and have as many people as you want playing at the same time, because it's not using any servers and it's using QR code and people don't have to install anything. So my end goal is to be able to play a game of Fallacy Quiz in a, how do you call that? An amphitheater. What? It's just amphitheater? Auditorium might be the good word. Yeah, full of students and they all play the game, you know? That will be really cool. Defecator did play on the game Fallacy Quiz on stream the other day, like last month. They played the game on stream with all the viewers. That was pretty cool. But yeah, I've not been. I was not able to reach Clement Viktorovich yet. But I plan on contacting all those people. But I also want to make games. Where were we? Yeah, I was doing some animation here. Let's try that. Oh, there's an issue. Oh, they don't want an integer. That's okay. I'm glad you like the. I'm glad you like the idea of the game, and of course the book animation. I think people really like the book animation more than the game itself sometimes. Oh yeah, I cannot click. Typical Godot issue. You cannot click the button because you have to change the mouse filter. Okay. Oh wait, no. Wait. Yeah, okay. No, I need to stop the counter when I hide. How could I do that? Yeah, show options will stop the counter. New mode is going to be based? I hope so. Oh, I did not see. Thanks for the follow, Gert. I'm not sure. Thank you for following. Okay, I don't like the way the modulate work. I don't like the way the modulate work right now. Yeah, I don't like that. Huh. I know there's a way to fix that. I think I need to put it inside. As I see your code, I notice I'm not the only one who abuses twins. It works, okay? So yeah, why couldn't you use twins? It works. It kind of works. Twins are great. Yeah, I feel like I'm okay. So not here, because here twins don't. I don't need to stop. Where? I think it's in share fallacy. Twin. Yeah, scroll bar twin. Yeah, I feel like I'm hacking or cheating when I do that kind of stuff with twins. But I think it's how you're supposed to do it. But it feels like cheating, you know? So you create a value you'd never initiated with anything. Then you check if it exists, and if it exists, you kill it. And then you create it. And that way you're able to stop the twin animation. If you don't do that, you can have really, really weird behavior where you have some twin animations ending, and another animation that was started before that will end again, so it will like move weirdly stuff. But yeah, that's the only part with twins where I feel like I'm cheating, like I'm hacking the it's not a proper way. But I think it's documented like that in the documentation. I think they do tell you to do this somewhere. So I think it's okay. Let me check. Yeah, here. They actually tell you to do it, so it's official. It's an official behavior. This seems completely legit to me. That's legit then. That's the bar I need to pass. Let's get back to, yeah, if for the opacity of this, if we change the modulation here, it's going to be weird. So I think we need to use, I don't know, I don't use that really often. I don't know if it's a canvas layer or how is it called? It's like a way to group nodes and apply modification to the group of nodes as if it was one group of 2D nodes, you know? Canvas group? Oh, it's ugly. I think we need to add the theme. I think it removed the theme inheritance. Okay. And now that we have a canvas group, the only thing I'm not sure is the position. Will it stay? We will check if the position works. But then we should be able to change the modulation of the... It still doesn't work? Okay, then we need to use... Why? How am I supposed to do this? We could use a viewport, a new viewport altogether. Let's try that. This seems overkill. This is way overkill. Okay. I don't know, let's stretch and Let's make it so that it's only take part of the screen and not all the screen. Maybe using a HBox and a control node. Oh wait, I think we have ways of doing this. I'm just going to apply a minimum size of 500. Yeah, let's do this. Then we need to disable 3D, have a transparent background. Then we need a control node that will take all the available space, and then our countdown label should be here. Why is it not showing? I'm not sure. Cool. And then we applied the theme. Okay. That's way overkill. But I think I don't know how to do that otherwise. And now we should be able to change the modulation. Yeah. That works. That kind of works. Let's call that countdown label container. Make that unique. Go back to the script, and our twin will work on this instead. Let's not forget to change the modulation, initial modulation. Let's try that. Okay, let's use 15 seconds. Oh yeah, it's increments of 10. That works. That's a lot of movement. But it works. Wait, the animation is a bit too fast. Why is that? 0.5? Okay. I need a small break. I'll be back in a second. I'm back. Okay, let's try. Oh yeah, there's still one issue. There's still one issue. And it's the wait time here. Okay. That should work. Let's try that. Yep. Yeah. So what we want is the time between question to be exactly 17 seconds. So I have a clock here. We're going to restart it. We're going to generate the QR code. Then people have 60 seconds to join. Oh, that was an issue here. Okay. And then each question should be 17 seconds. Each end of question should be exactly 17 seconds apart. So I think it's going to be a bit hard to, yeah. 17 seconds might be a bit too fast. Way too fast. But it works. I think it works. So I'm not sure. Where's my... Okay. Okay, so 1 minute and 8 seconds for the next question. Yes, okay, it works. That's so cool. So now the game is not using a standard duration for questions. The game is now aligned with the Unix timestamp. That's really cool. But yeah, 17 is way too fast. I think we're going to use 22 for fast, 30 for normal, 45 for slow, and 60 for really slow. I think we can try with those values and we can adjust later. Now, we need to actually implement that on the smartphone, on the website. Let me commit the code to Git first, because that's significant step that we just achieved here. You know what? Let me try a game in a normal mode to be sure I did not break anything. Okay, yeah, no, it's working fine. Oh, there was one issue with the number. It appeared on top. It appeared on top of everything. What's that? Block control? I'm not sure what that is. Yep, that should work. For some reason this restarted, so I think we need to make it so that it's only one shot here. Cool. Let's save everything. I think we're pretty good. What should we do now? Yeah, I need to I just said that I need to commit this code. QR mode timer now synced with Unix timestamp. Okay, now we need to work on the website code. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to work on the website code for some reason. Because, yeah, I did not want to do some web code on stream. It's pretty boring, especially when I need to try with my phone and I cannot show you. I guess I could show you. Oh no, I cannot even show you how it looks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add a setting to be able to remove the one player. You're going to see what I mean in a second. So right now we have, let me remove that. Okay, right now we have quiz speed, wait time in seconds. We're going to add a new setting that is going to be play on computer. How would you call the fact that there will be one player on the computer on top of players on their phone? Computer player? No. Play on PC on computer too? I'm not sure how to call that. It's going to be a checkbox. For the check, I need to make it flat. Okay. How can I call this? Play here too? Enable local player 1. Let's call that enable local player 1. It's not, I will be a player, I will not understand that. We will need to change that later. So I have a checkbox here, and I'm going to add where's the proceed function? Here we go. Gameplay, QR mode, local player equal the value of that checkbox. Pressed, I think. Yeah, I think it's pressed. Okay. So I need to create this value. It does not exist right now. Okay. And then let's go back to the quiz, and I need to, so what I want to do is hide the options if you don't have a local player. So where do I have buttons? I think it's in the ready. Yeah, ready function. If gameplay, QR mode, and gameplay, QR mode local, not gameplay local player. Then I'm going to hide everything. I think I'm not going to touch anything else so that I don't break anything. But that's, yeah, I'm going to hide the buttons. So there is not going to be any buttons if you don't want to have a local player. The idea behind this is you can just focus on playing the game with the phone and not have the buttons on screen. Let's try that. What's that? Invalid. What's happening here? Wait time spin box. Okay, let's retry. This moves way too much. I'm going to reduce the bounciness of that. Oh no, there are still questions here. Huh. Wait, is the value the correct value? It's a signal. Oh no. It's not okay. I do this all the time. So I'm using pressed, but pressed is a signal. I'm supposed to use button pressed, I think. Yeah, I'm supposed to use button pressed. Let's try again. Don't scan this. I need wait. If you scan this, the website is broken for the time being, so cool. Yeah, no question. There's no question anymore. That's perfect. The thing is, now that we are playing using the QR mode, we don't want the score to be displayed at all. Yeah. So I think we have an option for this. I think I made it so I don't show the score. Only create score message if single player. Yeah. So if not gameplay multi. Or and not QR mode. You know what? We need a custom value here because it's way too complicated to check for both each time. So. Oh, I don't care. Yeah, no, let's do this. Let's see. Only create score message if single player. I think the logic works here. Yeah, we definitely need to give a name to this. This is too complicated to handle. Okay. So let's go back to ready. QR mode, no players equals false. Okay. Then we can use that here. If not gameplay multi and not QR mode, no players. Okay. And now we need to hide the score itself. I think we do that in gameplay multi at some point. We hide. You know what? Let's just select the score and see how I hide it. I think it's score info left, I think. Yeah, I think it's info left that I hide. Okay. So info left. Show best score. Okay. I'm discovering how I coded the game back then. Okay, show best score. Okay, if gameplay custom rules or gameplay multi. Wait, why custom rules should remove the best score? Oh, but it's not the best score that I want to hide. It's like all the score. Yeah, hide score if playing multi. Score doesn't really work in multi. Yeah, I also need to hide if we play without players. So if gameplay multi or we use the QR mode. Then we do that. And I guess I should hide the best score in QR mode. Yes. Okay, cool. You know what? Let's try it. Let's try that. So we don't enable local player 1. We used a fast quiz speed and the wait time is 10 seconds. So we don't have the score on the top left corner of the screen. It feels kind of weird to not have anything up here. Yeah. Oh, there's also something else. We cannot use pause. So the pause menu should not pause the game if we are using QR mode. The pause menu shouldn't pause in QR mode. How to do that? Okay, you know what? Let's save this first. Hide score in QR mode. Score and buttons. Okay. So we want the pause menu to not pause the game if we are in QR mode. I think this could be easy. We just need to not pause the game. Get tree paused equal true. Let's just add a condition on all of this. If gameplay QR mode. If not, gameplay QR mode. I'm not sure what I should exclude here. I think get tree paused is I need to remove that. Let's see if it works. Let's see if that works. Is that all? Yeah, no, I still have... No, that's not a big deal. Okay. Let's try it. Let's try that. Yeah, since the game is going to be played on the smartphone and on the computer, both games are synced based on Unix timestamp. So I cannot have a real pause menu where the game is paused. I should add this here. You can't pause in QR code mode. You can pause the game in QR code mode. Okay. Yeah, that music is really cool. It's Breath of the Wild. I think it's working. Resume is not working for some reason. Oh no. Why is resume not working? What? if posed. Oh wait, posed is not the same as get reposed. Posed is just a value, and I need this value to be updated. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Let me cheat here. I need to cheat here because wait, it should work. Wait. Let's try again. You know what? Okay, this triggers me a bit. It shouldn't start at 9 and end at 0. It should start at 10 and end at 1. So let's change this. Instead of using int, we're going to use seal. Seal is supposed to get the upper value. Let's try that. Ten, 9, okay, that's better. Okay, pause. And resume is still not working for some reason. Okay, that's not normal. Oh, am I really checking for this? Oh, okay. You know what? I don't like to use gameplay QR mode here. We're going to use a new value here called pose, like real pose, fake pose. By default it false, okay? Because I don't like using values like that. We don't really understand what it's supposed to mean. That way we can go back to our main script and change the value in the ready script here. Pose menu. Wait. Pose menu, fake pose equals gameplay QR mode. I think it's cleaner like that. Let's try again. Okay. Wait. Oh, okay, there's another issue. Let's try to pause and resume. It still doesn't work. What? Okay, now I'm getting mad. Why? Fake pose is supposed to be true here. What? The game completely crashed? Okay. Wait time is a bit too long for debugging. 10 seconds is still too long. Oh wait! Nothing works! At all! Okay, okay, that's way worse than what I was expecting. We're using the QR mode, okay. And then what? I'm not sure. Not sure why it's not working. Let's try again. Wait, I have a proceed button that I could use so that I don't have to wait. Okay, and yeah, I'm clicking on the right buttons, but it doesn't do anything. Oh, you know what? Oh, I know what's happening. It's paused. I think it's paused. I think it's not running by default. Yeah, mode when paused. It's mode when paused. Okay, okay, that's wrong. On pause button pressed, if fake pause or not get repaused, pause game. Yeah, I know, we cannot use this. Okay, so we're going to go back to the quiz and we're going to check if we are using the QR mode. You know what? We could make it so that we are using a set value. I'm not sure it's going to work because it's not supposed to be running. So I'm not sure why it's working in the game right now. I don't pause the game, so I don't know why it's supposed to work. It's weird. Let's try it. Okay, it works. Okay, cool, it works. So the pause menu doesn't pause the game. It shouldn't say paused then. I don't want to overcomplicate stuff. Okay, let's save this because this is significant changes. Pause menu doesn't pause in QR mode. Okay, next, the one, I think for the time being, we are not going to let a local player. There's not going to be a local player for the time being, because if we have a local player, then we can answer questions, and in that case, we will need to, if we are able to answer questions, then we should create a way to wait for the timer to end before going to next question. That's I don't want to deal with that right now. It's not going to be in the game right now. Okay, so now I don't want to have like, I don't want to have the text like no it was something, because right now let's try the game. If I start a game, select fast and start a game, and now we wait for the timer. It's long. Way too long. Okay, nope, it was. I don't want to have this text here. So yeah, let's remove this text. Nope, it was. Okay, it's here. So let's okay, I have well done here, and okay. Wait. What is this? Okay, this is weird. I'm just crazy. This is crazy code, but that's okay. New screen. What's the title? Okay. Okay. I think we could add the fallacy title ourselves. Okay, so if we are not in QR mode, then we just display that. But if we are in QR mode, then what we want to display is going to be it was, yeah, just this part. It was, you know what? I think this could be a standard part. So yeah, new screen. New screen text equals, nope. Well done. And then we add this part. Yeah, that works. And by default, we're going to show a successful screen in QR mode for some reason. Like, I don't want to create a new screen if for the QR mode. So I'm going to show the success screen because I think it's better to show success than failure if we don't know, you know? That should work. Let's try. Let's try. Okay, so fast generate. Let's go. Hey, I think there are some people on YouTube. Hi, if you're watching on YouTube. I'm also looking at the YouTube chat today. You won't catch me watching the YouTube chat often. Oh no, wait, it did not work. It showed yeah, no, it did not work. We need to fix that. Why did it not work? It shows success, but it's displaying nope. So why is this? Oh, I know why. I know why. That's why. Wait. No, that's the opposite. If gameplay QR mode, new screen equals nothing. Yeah, that works. Also, I don't want to be able to show the glossary ever, so I'm going to use false here. Okay. Okay. I think it works. Okay, I'm going to cut the stream here, people. I think we have done a lot of work today to make this QR code mode work. It's not going to be as fun as the real game, of course, but at least it's going to let people play without having to deal with controllers and stuff like that. Like 8 players will be able to play, so that's going to be cool. Let me create the commit for this code. What did we just do? I think we added end screen. Okay. Yeah. So I have a new computer now. I wanted to tell you that. So I'm going to be able to make more streams. Right now, my computer is doing just fine. On my older computer, it was really struggling when I was streaming. Right now my computer is doing just fine, so I'm finally going to be able to stream whenever I want, because previously I was like I could stream, but it's going to be struggling. My computer is going to struggling. It's going to be annoying to work in this situation. So now I'm really happy, because today I was like, hey, this is some work I could stream. And I just started a stream, so I'm really happy I'm able to do that now. So you might see me more often here now that I'm able to do this. I hope you like the stream, and I'll see you. I see you soon. Maybe we can raid someone, even if we don't have a lot of viewer right now, so. We are not going to bother with a raid. Have a nice evening, everyone, or maybe morning. I don't know where you live. Anyways, have a nice day. Bye. Oh, let's raid Defecator. Yeah, it's a good idea. Let's try that. What's the Twitch handle for Defecator? Defecator officiel, I think. Let's do this. Good idea. Oh, I cannot read it. What? Oh no, yeah, I can read. Okay, cool. Okay, have a nice time there. Bye. It's a French channel, by the way.